I got a busted ABS toilet flange. There's probably a couple dozen different ways you can fix these. This way just happens to be the best way for this scenario, I think. You can see where the ABS is split right there where the toilet bolt goes. That's not going to hold another bolt in there, I don't believe. The other side's kind of bent, so the whole idea is to try to keep this flange. I don't want to raise the height of this flange any more than it already is. So I got this super thin flange plate that's made for repairs. It just goes right over top of the existing, and it has 4 fins there that extend out past the existing flange. If you got a wood floor, it's going to be a lot easier to fasten this down. I'm on a concrete slab here, so I got to drill holes in the concrete and use tap cons. Masonry bit, hammer drill if you have one. I put the toilet bolts in with the plate just because the slots didn't line up perfectly, and I didn't want to run into any problems with getting my toilet bolts in there. So I put those in at the same time when I fastened it. You can see I got some pretty good sized tap cons in each corner, and it's down there tight. It's holding everything nice and super tight. Super strong. Those bolts aren't even wiggling. And there again, the whole idea was to not raise this flange any more than it already is. Otherwise, I have trouble with the toilet sitting all the way down. Otherwise, you're busting the floor up and all that stuff, and I don't think that's necessary. So for $7-8, I think this was a good fix. Hope that helps.